Happy Kannada Rajyotsava to all.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fact Hunter. So guys, today we have a special guest. It's none other than No More by Sai Dharmik and Hasini Vatsalya. So No More channel owners are none other than my cousins. So we are doing a collab cum featured video.
Hey guys!
So this video is about top 10 facts on Karnataka. Let's dive into the video. About Karnataka, there are number of districts and taluks 31 and 227 respectively as of in 2021. Population and other details of Karnataka. Population in 2021 is estimated to be 68.4 million, around 6.84 crores, according to Unique Identification Authority of India, updated on 31st May 2020. By mid of year 2020, the projected population is 6.75 crores. Its area is 1,91,791 square kilometer and ranks the largest with the land area of 5.83% of coverage. Special places or monuments in Karnataka. Hampi. Hampi are one of the amazing and most famous monuments in Karnataka. Gol Gumbas in Bijapur, Belur, Halebid, Shravanabelagola, and Badami Caves in Bagalkote, Bidar Fort in Bidar, Mysore Palace, and Patadkal monuments. Over to Hasini Vatsalya.
Fact 1. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India. The report further found that state-wise Karnataka dominates the coffee industry, accounting for most exports, followed by Andhra Pradesh that exports more than 50% of instant coffee, which commands a 31% share in the country's export basket.
Over to Sai Dharmik.
Fact 2. What was the real name of Karnataka back then? Originally known as the state of Mysore, it was renamed Karnataka in 1973. The state corresponds the Carnatic region. Its capital and largest city is Bangalore. Over to
Fact 3. What is Karnataka known for? Karnataka is primarily known for its heritage destinations and its wildlife national parks. Apart from that, it is also famous for its magical hill stations, spectacular waterfalls, pilgrimage centers, and a 320-kilometer long coastline dotted with unspoiled beaches. So you have to visit there for sure.
Who named Karnataka? So did anyone thought about that Karnataka was named by someone? Yes, it's none other than Devraj Woods is credited with renaming the Mysore state as Karnataka on November 1st, 1973. According to historians, usage of the word Karnataka was in vogue some 6 centuries ago. They say all of southern India was united under one banner called Karnataka at that time.
Fact 5. Who won the Jnanapita Prashasti Award? First, Sri Kuvempu, Sri Ramayana Darshanam in 1967. Second, Sri Dr. Rabendre Nagkutanti in 1973. Third, Sri Shivram Karna in 1977. Fourth, a literature, a comprehensive contribution to Karnataka literature, special reference to Chikkaveera Rajendra scripture in 1983. Fifth, Sri Girish Karnad, a comprehensive contribution to Karnataka literature in drama in 1998. Sixth, Sri V. K. R. Gokak, Comprehensive Contribution to Kannada Literature, Special Contribution in 1990. 7. U.R. Ananthamurthy, who is also a professional. A comprehensive contribution to Karnataka literature in 1994. 8. Dr. Chandrasekhar Kambar in 2010. So far, 8 Kannada literary awards have been honored with the Gnanapita Award, making Kannada the highest language of Gnanapita Award. Thanks to them. Fact 6. Why is sandalwood so famous in Karnataka? During Tipu Sultan's reign over Mysore in the 18th century, the sandalwood tree was accorded royal status and was brought under the state control. Today, the Karnataka government ostensibly allows private production of sandalwood but actually maintains a tight rein on the trade. Fact 7. What happened to the Vijayanagara kingdom? In 1565, Rama Raya, the chief minister of Vijayanagar, led the empire into a fatal battle at Talikota, in which its army was routed by combined forces of the Muslim states of Bijapur, Ahmednagar and Golconda, and the city of Vijayanagar was destroyed eventually. Fact 8. The legendary village of Gabbar. Though the legendary Bollywood film Sholay was shot 44 years ago against the stunning sheer granite cliffs of Ramanagara, the memories of Gabbar Singh, Basanti and Thakur still linger in the hearts of the villagers in their lives. The place was renamed as Ramanagara after independence.
Fact 9. Old rock formation in Karnataka. Bugle Rock, Kahale Bande, is a massive rock in the Baswanagudi area of South Bangalore in the state of Karnataka. It is abrupt rise above the ground of peninsular gneiss as the main rock formation and with an associated age of 3000 million years.
Fact 10. The Gomateshwara statue. Shravana Belagola is home to the 18-meter high statue of Lord Gomateshwara, considered to be one of the world's tallest freestanding monolithic statues. Constructed in 981 AD by Chandrarudra, a Ganga warrior. It is carved out of a single block of granite and looms on the top of the Vindhyagiri hill. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to their channel. So meet you guys in the next video.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.